Hello, everyone. Welcome to the session, friends. We are delighted to inform you all that we have this free internship program which we have launched as part of our corporate social responsibility, CSR, right? And we also understand that a lot of people are getting trained in different training organizations. But when we ask them questions such as, in interviews, usually when we ask questions such as, how did you get this data set? Who gave you the data? Did customer give you the data? If yes, then what is your role as a data scientist? If you cannot even collect the data, or if you have collected the data from customer, how did you realize that these are the right variables that you need to collect for that particular project? In the first place, how did you understand the business problem? Without understanding the business problem, you cannot collect the data. You collect the data to solve the business problem. Majority of them have knowledge on model building. They talk a lot about how to build the model, how to evaluate the model. But when we ask questions on where do you deploy the model, they are clueless. Because you obviously won't give your Python code to your customer, would you? You won't, right? Because if, say, a bank head walks up to you and says that a lot of people are defaulting on the loan, then you build a loan default prediction model. You obviously would not give the code to the banking officials and say that learn Python and start using the model. It has to be deployed somewhere. And post-deployment, it's not a one-time task. Data science, machine learning model building, AI application building is not a one-time task. You need to perpetually keep doing that. That's called as model monitoring and maintenance. Okay, so this specific internship program, we want to restrict only to those people who already got trained through some other training institute and finding it difficult to deploy the model in production and who do not have knowledge, to deal with the data pipeline end to end. That is mandatory to get a job in the current world. Be it data analytics profession or data science profession, building the data pipelines is extremely important. And we would majorly focus on model deployment. Okay, so welcome to the session, friends. I would like to share the screen and talk about this specific program in further detail. First of all, congratulations in choosing to upskill your career in the field of data analytics or data science. You will have two phases as part of a 30 days internship program. Learning phase and then the project phase. Without knowledge, you cannot build a pipeline or you cannot deploy the model in production. So we have learning phase, which will be for 20 days. Every day for these 20 days, starting from tomorrow, starting from tomorrow, that is 5th of July, every day, we are going to post you 3 learning videos. In the morning, we will post 1 learning video at 6 a.m. IST on Python programming. Afternoon, we are going to post 1 learning video at 12 p.m. on data science project management methodology. And at night, we are going to post 1 video at 6 p.m., which will be on model deployment. How do you deploy a model in production? You learn about Streamlit, you learn about Flask, you learn about Heroku, you learn about cloud deployments, and many more. And every day, we will gauge your performance, whether you have actually understood the concepts or not, through 3 simple questions, 1 per video. Very simple. All these videos are 1 hour videos or shorter than 1 hour or around 1 hour, I should say. And we'll post 3 questions and you have to answer to those questions in the comments section. I'll show you on how it appears. Post that, you will move into the project phase, which will be for another 10 days. And when you move to the project phase, we will be assigning you a machine learning operations expert who are specialized in deployment aspects, who have rich experience working on the real world projects. Okay. And we will also drive it the way projects are driven in the real world, wherein we are going to ask a few questions on a daily basis, right? There will be daily stand-up meeting. We'll try to understand what you did yesterday, what are you going to do today, and are there any risks or challenges that you experience? The way agile methodology projects are driven, right? We are going to drive it that way so that you get that experience also. It'll be for 15 minutes, Monday to Friday. Next. Upon successfully completing the project, of course, you have to deploy a model in production. Only then we will say that you completed your project successfully. And then we are going to award you internship project completion certificate from 360DigiTMG. This is a free program and the certificate is also free. We do not charge anything before, during, or after this internship. Pertaining to internship, we don't charge anything. This is a corporate social responsibility. It is called a CSR initiative. Okay. Having said that, I would like to quickly take your attention to a few other things. Let me go here and try to pull up multiple things and speak more about this. Right? You have to just give me a quick moment while I log into my LinkedIn profile. And here we go. So this is me, friends. I happen to be director and co-founder at Innodatatics. And unfortunately, 35,000 is a maximum number of connections which one can have on LinkedIn. If you cross 30,000. If you cross 30,000 connections, you can only follow them. Unfortunately, I fall into this category. So if you want to still connect with me, here we go. And our team is going to post this on the YouTube chat. You might want to follow me. You cannot connect, unfortunately. I cannot accept, even if you try to connect. And then I hold a master's degree from ISB and IIT, and I have 18 plus years of experience. I work with companies such as HSBC, ITC, Infotech, Infosys, and Deloitte. And then we formed 2 companies. One company is called as Innodatatics, under the umbrella of which we do advanced analytics projects. And we do projects for the likes of Coca-Cola, Korean Airlines, Volvo Trucks, so on and so forth. Whenever we do, projects for these clients with client consent and by masking the data, we introduce those into our training curriculum, into 360DigiTMG. And we deliver only advanced analytics trainings. We deliver trainings on data analytics, data science, data engineering, and MLOps. And we do not offer trainings on any other program. Why? Because we deliver trainings only in those spaces where we master. We are masters. We love the advanced analytics works that we do for various customers, top-notch customers across India and across the globe. And since we specialize in that, this is one way of democratizing and helping the world understand how to become successful data scientists or data analysts or data engineers or MLOps experts, right? And because of that, we are here discussing this internship initiative. Okay. Having said that, I've told you one thing about our YouTube, right? Let me go to our YouTube channel. There are 45,000 plus folks, and I'm sure a lot of people are watching this. And friends, the reason why I highly recommend people to subscribe is because daily there will be 3 videos that will be posted. You'd be able to easily access that if you subscribe and click on this bell icon. Okay, you'll be notified the moment there are new things. There is generative AI session, which we are conducting. A lot of people are talking about chat GPT. And we are talking about one step ahead of this, which is called as generative AI. We are going to take a session to help people understand how to generate music, how to generate videos, how to generate images, how to generate text. How do I combine all of those things to build business applications? All these kinds of sessions, you will be notified. So please subscribe. And daily there'll be 3. And one very important thing, friends, is that we have a lot of people who got placed through us. So it's not a training which we deliver for fun. We impact the careers of people. I'm not sure whether you people are aware of Big Four companies. If you're aware, well and good. If not, here we go. Deloitte, Ernst & Young, KPMG, PricewaterhouseCoopers. Do you know what? Our students work in all these Big Four companies. One of our friends is working in Tata, Ernst & Young, Deutsche Bank Assistant Vice President. Hayworth is a very big product-based company. Our friend Chinappa is working there. And Chinappa was saying that, I just explained about the project end-to-end and I got a job. You can listen to that particular success story. We don't hide anything. These are our true success stories. You can contact them as well, right? Deloitte. Manju, she is working in Ireland in UH hospitals as a data analyst, right? We have Rachna, who is working in Alshaya. For people who are not aware of Alshaya Group, let me tell you that Starbucks coffee, H&M, Mothercare, right? Body and Works, American Eagle, all these are Alshaya brands, big brands, right? If you want to take franchisee, you have to go through them. In Dubai, she's working in Dubai now. We have our people working in Genpact, Mercedes-Benz Research and Development, right? We have people working in Deloitte. We have people, one is a Singapore-based company, by the way. We have people working in Infosys, HCL, Walmart. Then we have people working in PricewaterhouseCoopers, TCS, Cognizant, Novartis, Tech Mahindra, Deloitte, once again, Capgemini, so on and so forth, right? Our success stories speak volumes about the quality of the trainings that we deliver. You please subscribe and you'll immensely benefit from that. Point number 1. Point number 2, we are going to post questions on our LinkedIn, forum. On a daily basis, we are going to do that, right? Let me quickly show you where that particular post appears and how to answer, because on a daily basis, we post the questions and you'll have to answer. Only those people who answer would be eligible for the next phase of doing the project. Okay, I'm going there. I'm trying to get to that position. And I think I'm almost there. Yeah. This is how questions will be posted, and this is how in the comments people answer. So you're expected to go to the comment section and answer. Based on your answers, you'll be eligible to join the next phase of the project. Okay. So for this, you will have to follow our page. And the link would be posted on the YouTube chat window. Please, okay, feel free to subscribe. And one more thing which I wanted to show you is how we actually deploy the projects, right? Let me quickly go to that particular project, and I'm going to show you an interesting project that we have worked on. And you'll really like it because you need to understand how you're going to deploy the solution, right? So I'm just trying to go there to that particular section to show you guys. And I'm going to bookmark this time because each time I go search to figure out where these things are. Okay, yep, I think I've neared this project. Okay, I'm going to share the screen now in a quick minute. And then you'll be able to see the kind of projects that we are doing, we have done for various customers. And you'd love to be part of that. Come on. This is called as Murphy's Law. I should have opened these things up front and kept it handy, but just give me one quick moment. And then we will look at your questions also post that. Okay, here we go. So this is a project which we have done for Volvo, right? And this is called as image recognition project. Don't do that. Don't do that. Sorry, just give me a moment. I think it got zoomed beyond a point. So let me once again get back to that part and show you that part. This time I'm not going to zoom it. I don't want to take any chances. You'll have to, be a little accommodative because otherwise I'll have to scroll once again. Okay, here we go. Yeah, this is a project where you see that there is a guy.
Not followed. Please check.
Who is trying to put the clamps, and our video analytics solution will automatically determine if a wrong sequence is followed. Right, there's one project. I'll show you a few more. Yeah, this is a project that we have done for yet another client, wherein automatically you'll be able to count how many 8 mm, 10 mm, or 12 mm steel rods exist. Okay, then we also have, a lot of projects we have done. These are a few most recent projects that I'm showcasing to you guys. This is yet another project where we have done it for one of the poultry clients, and I'm going to demonstrate that for you guys. This is how you'll deploy, friends. You just need to upload the video on Streamlit, and it will automatically count the number of chicks. Automatically, it will figure out how old they are, 1 week, 2 week, 3 week old chicks. And then the body temperature also would be captured. This is how you deploy and give the solution at the end. No matter how many machine learning algorithms you build, at the end of the day, this is what you do. Okay. So hopefully you enjoyed this. And that is the kind of model that you are going to build. Now I'll take your questions, friends. No, you'll be eligible for only one free internship project. Okay. If you have already enrolled for another project, you will not be part of this. You cannot be part of this, right? Also, only those people who are trained with some other training institute and who didn't get a job would be eligible for this. This is only for people who got trained and who got placed. For people who don't know anything, For you, on every Friday, we are going to have a new internship program. You can always attend that to understand more. But this is exclusively for those people who got trained through various other training companies and who are clueless on how to deploy the model in production, how to build the data pipeline. For those kind of people, this particular internship is for. Work experience, you can say that you work on an internship project. Yes, you can. We'll give you internship certificate, right? So yeah, you can say for that duration you have worked as an intern. Absolutely. Any other questions, please? Use the YouTube chat and then post your questions. Feel free. This certificate will have value, no doubt about that. For the bright students who do a very good job, we are going to, through our HR department, help them with job assistance. Only for bright students. Only for probably the top 3 best performers. Okay, that's the answer to that question. Our team is trying to figure out, can we become data scientists if we are in our early 30s? Absolutely. There are people with 46 years also who got jobs, right? You can look at our success stories. You'll find a person who is 48 years and he got a job in data science. Yes. Age is not a constraint, if you ask me. Yes, any other questions, friends? I'm already doing data. No. Oh, only one person can do project only once. Free internship is only once, friends. This is a CSR initiative, corporate social responsibility initiative. So you cannot do multiple projects, please. Only one per person. Because we want to give opportunities to as many people as possible, hence. You just need to join our WhatsApp group or Telegram group, which our team will be posting on the YouTube chat. And you can. Even in the first comment section, our team is going to clearly mention. They're going to give you the WhatsApp link and Telegram link, and you can join. Any other questions, friends? Seems like there are no more questions. So thank you so much and have a great learning experience and enjoy your internship. At the end of the day, you will have very good knowledge on how to deploy the models in production. Thank you and welcome to the 30 days internship. But you'll have to ensure that you provide us a proof that you got trained on data science from some other place. That proof is what we need. Yeah. Thank you all and all the best. Bye.